Hey guys, my name is Vivian Nelson and today I will be reviewing the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 5, and I'm so excited to talk about this because this has been my favorite gadget for the past few months and I cannot wait to show you guys all its features. So I have actually been wanting a sleep and exercise monitor for quite some time now, but I didn't really want to splurge and spend too much money on one. So I did my research and that's how I discovered this smart band because it just ticked all the right boxes. It was affordable, it can track my exercises, it can track my sleep, and it even has a lot of bonus features. So real quick, let's talk about this tiny little band's features. It actually has this large dynamic display and it's 1.1 inches. It also has 24-hour heart rate monitoring. It has 11 sport modes, including running, cycling, yoga. It has 24-hour sleep monitoring, which is probably my favorite part. It has a 50-meter deep water resistance, so you can definitely wear it if you ever wanted to swim. It has 14-day extra long battery life, and I can definitely attest to that. I have left this uncharged for days and it was still working. I can even use it to track my monthly periods, which is super helpful. And it also has magnetic charging, so it's so easy to just click it and just wait for it to charge. So like I mentioned, I have been using this for a few months now and it has really just changed the way that I exercise and I sleep because I can just simply turn it on when I go for a run and see all my stats after, and it just blows my mind how accurate the data is, and it just really helps me improve and be a better athlete. And as for my sleep, I have always had trouble with sleeping. I tend to sleep late, not fall asleep easily, and it is just a game changer because I just feel like I learn more about myself and how my body reacts to different situations, and it has just been such a helpful tool in my life. So I can go on and on all day about how great it is, how amazing the features are, but I think showing is better than telling. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So this is what it looks like on my wrist, and basically it can just read your heart rate at a given time. There's also one that helps you breathe properly and practice mindfulness through breathing exercises. But probably one of the most underrated features of the Xiaomi Mi Smart Band 5 is their mobile app. And this is where you can see all the data from your workouts and your sleep and your stress levels. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like right now. Okay, so as soon as we open it, we can see what battery percentage our smart band is at, and I last charged it 4 days ago, but see how high the battery still is. You can see my heart rate, my cycles, my stress levels, my current weight, and you can even see your past workouts and the data from those workouts. So here you can see the other day I went for a walk, I was running errands around the neighborhood, and you can clearly track my path, how long the workout was. So for here, I was just walking, my average pace, calories burned, my average heart rate, my steps, and my cadence. And then it also shows the date and the time. So it's very, very impressive also how accurate it is. And then let me show you how it tracks my sleep. Like I said, I don't really have the best sleeping habits. So you can see that right here. My sleep score was 74. That's not too low. That's also not the highest. And it says that I sleep better than 38% of users, and I slept for 9 hours and 26 minutes. You can see how long my deep sleep, my light sleep, my REM sleep, and my time awake was. It can even track naps, and it has sleep quality analysis, which tells you if you slept too early or too late. I love all the stats and how it lays it out for you. It is just one of those tools that is so impressive, and once you have it, you think, how did I ever get by without this? Because now I just feel like I'm more aware of my sleeping habits, of the calories I burn, even though I try not to really track that. And it just really improved my quality of life significantly. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for watching this review on the Xiaomi Mi Band 5. Also forgot to mention that I got this for less than 1,500 pesos. So definitely affordable, and you can find it on Shopee and Lazada. I personally got mine on Shopee, and there are different shops selling it. Just read the reviews and make sure they're authentic and real. So again, my name is Vivian Nelson. Thank you so much for watching this, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye!